I asked Perplexity to teach me Google NotebookLM in 5 minutes. It gave me great ideas, but also revealed some things teachers often overlook. As a teacher, I don't have hours to research every new AI tool. I just needed a quick, clear overview, something faster than reading 5 blog posts. So I asked Perplexity Voice to explain NotebookLM like I was a busy teacher who doesn't know much about AI. I also wanted to see if Perplexity Voice could actually help my students, especially EFL learners. If it worked, maybe they could use it to practice listening, ask questions in English, and prep for class discussions. Can you explain NotebookLM like I'm a busy teacher who doesn't know much about AI? Okay, so this is where I held my breath. I was thinking, is it just going to spit out a textbook definition? Or will it actually explain it like I'm a real teacher with no time to spare?
NotebookLM is a tool designed to help you, as a teacher, leverage AI to make your work easier. Imagine having a smart assistant that can quickly find information, summarize content, and even help generate ideas. It's like having a super organized research assistant right in your notebook, helping you prepare lessons, find resources, and stay organized.
Not bad, but here's the problem. That sounds helpful in theory, but does it actually do those things? Or is it just another smart assistant that forgets half of what you asked it?
You don't
So how is NotebookLM different than using, say, Gemini or ChatGPT? This was my big question. I use ChatGPT all the time. So what's the point of learning another tool if it's just the same thing with a different name?
NotebookLM is designed specifically to work with your own notes and documents, which makes it unique compared to more general AI models like ChatGPT or Gemini. Here's how it differs. Number 1, specialization. NotebookLM is tailored for educational use, allowing you to explore ideas, ask questions, and generate summaries from your notes. Number 2, knowledge integration. NotebookLM integrates with your own material, making it easier to find relevant information or
Okay, so does that mean I can upload my own files? So what kind of files can I upload? Now we're talking. If it can actually read through my lesson plans and not just pretend to analyze them, that's a game changer. But I've been burned before.
Absolutely. You can upload various types of files to NotebookLM, including PDFs, Word documents, and PowerPoint presentations. This allows you to generate insights and summaries based on the content you already have, making it easier for you to prepare lessons or review materials.
Okay, so what is one feature that teachers often overlook in NotebookLM that could save them a lot of time?
One feature that teachers often overlook in NotebookLM is the ability to auto-generate quizzes and questions based on the content you've uploaded.
I had no idea this existed. This right here made me stop editing and literally go try it. Why aren't more teachers talking about this?
This feature can save you a lot of time when preparing assessments and ensures that the questions are closely aligned with your teaching materials.
Okay, so a lot of AI or a lot of teachers have problems with AI because of hallucinations. What about NotebookLM? This was a deal breaker question. If it makes stuff up, it's useless. But grounding answers in my own files, that's a big step towards trust.
Great question. AI hallucinations refer to when an AI generates information that's not accurate or not based on the input data. NotebookLM is designed to minimize hallucinations by focusing on summarizing and generating content based on the specific files you've uploaded. It's not perfect, but it aims to provide more reliable information by grounding its responses in your material.
I often use the 80-20 rule with my students to help them learn something new. How could I use the 80-20 rule to learn more about NotebookLM and how I can use it in my classroom, specifically in my English EFL classroom?
The 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle, suggests focusing on the 20% of efforts that will give you 80% of the results. For learning about NotebookLM for your English EFL classroom, you could Focus on key features. Identify one or two features that would be most beneficial, like generating quizzes or summarizing text, and learn how to use them effectively. 2. Pilot with a lesson. Try using NotebookLM to prepare materials for one lesson, like vocabulary practice or reading comprehension, and see how it works in your class. 3. Get student feedback. Use the materials in class and ask your students for feedback. This will help you understand what works and what doesn't, allowing you to refine your approach.
This tip hit hard. Most of us try to master everything in one go, but just picking one small use case like vocabulary quizzes makes the tool immediately useful. And that's the honest truth. AI still makes mistakes, but for the time, it saved me in just one afternoon. I'd say that's worth the learning curve. Perplexity Voice turned out to be a fast, low-friction way to learn about a complex AI tool. It's not perfect, but it's more grounded than you'd expect. If you're curious about NotebookLM or want to learn faster as a teacher, try Perplexity Voice. Start small, let it teach you something today. Want the exact prompts I used? Check the link in the description. And tell me in the comments, what's one AI tool you want to learn but haven't figured out yet?